How to delete your Instagram account on your iPhone. Hi everyone and welcome back to our channel. I'm Bimal from App Guide, and in today's guide video I will show you the ways on how you can actually delete your Instagram account on your iPhone. But before we get started, as always, if you are new to our channel, then make sure to leave a like and hit the subscribe button. And without any further ado, let's get started with today's video. Now first of all, make sure you have actually updated the Instagram app to the latest version. You can do this by heading over to your app store, in the search box typing in Instagram, and go ahead and simply either download or update the Instagram app to the latest version. Once you've updated the Instagram app, I'm going to go ahead and then open it. And the next thing you want to make sure is that you are logged into the account which you want to delete. Once you're logged into the account, first of all, simply go to your profile page by tapping on the bottom right corner. Once you go to your profile page, you'll see this kind of interface. What you have to do is on the top right, you can see those three horizontal lines. Simply tap on those three horizontal lines icon. So let me go ahead and do that. As you tap on this three horizontal lines icon at the very top right corner, you'll be able to see a list of all these options, and go ahead and select the one that says settings. As soon as you select settings, again you'll see all of these. What you have to do is select this halfway down the bottom. This option is over here which says account, and all you have to do is simply tap on this account option. As soon as you tap on account, you'll be able to see a list of all these options. If we scroll down to the bottom, you'll find this option which says delete account. In case you do not find this option which is delete account, you can also do that from your search box on our previous options. But I will tap on delete account, and you can see it will ask me for a confirmation. You do want to deactivate instead of deleting it. So what I will do is I will tap on the bottom of the screen which says delete account. If you look closely at the bottom right over here, tap on delete account, and it's basically going to ask you for a confirmation again which says delete your Instagram account. So all we have to do is tap on the continue deleting account button. Once you've done that, you can see it says if you want to break from Instagram, you can temporarily deactivate your account instead of deleting it. Your profile won't appear on Instagram while you're away, so go ahead and select whether you want to delete your account. I will simply select any of the options. And as you've done that, you can also go ahead and then re-enter your password. This is done in order to confirm that the person trying to delete the account is the owner himself or not. And you can also see there it says if you continue, your profile and account details will be deleted on October 7, 2022. You won't be visible on Instagram between now and then. If you change your mind, you can log in back before the deletion date and choose to keep your account. And in order to delete your account, what you have to do is tap on this bottom option which is delete button, which you see at the bottom left corner of the screen. And this is how you could very easily delete your Instagram account on your iPhone. We hope the video was really helpful, and if it did help you, then make sure to leave a like and subscribe to the channel. And if you have any more questions, queries or doubts, simply also make sure to leave them down in the comments section. Thank you very much for watching till the end of this tutorial, and see you soon in our next video.